Good evening, students. So from tomorrow, as I have promised, that we will be doing rapid revision videos, and in rapid revision of pharmacology, I'll be taking chapter-wise videos. I'll be making chapter-wise, and from that chapter, what is the most important thing? What is the thing that you should revise the maximum? That is what we are going to cover. So I would like to make what I'll say, a calendar, right? The first rule of any success is that you should have a calendar. You should have a proper detailed schedule how you're going to complete it. So now in that rapid revision, what I'm going to do is that now we started from 9th of June, and your NEET PG exam, what is the date of NEET PG? That is 3rd of August 2025. So you got good time. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि इसको बहुत fast करने की ज़रूरत है. So we'll be doing it आराम से. And the topics that we have to actually complete are general pharma first, then ANS, auticoids, then we'll take CNS, PNS, respiratory, right? Then we'll take CVS and kidney. Then the chapters that we'll take are blood, GIT. Then we have hematinics ho gaya, GIT ho gaya, and then we have antimicrobials. Okay, I have forgotten hormones, so let's put it here. Endocrino, right? Antimicrobials, anti-cancer, immunosuppressants, all those immunological agents, and then we have miscellaneous. So if I divide the time period, I would like to take it from 9th June to 9th of July, like 9th June se leke 9th July tak I would like to finish. So that means I have 30 days, right? Now in the 30 days, how am I going to complete it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I've got say 15 subjects. So 30 days and 15 topics, right? Now general pharma, ANS, it will take at least 3 days. ANS will take 3 days. Sorry. Auticoids 2 days. CNS 5 days. Let's say 5, 6, 7, 10, 13. 13 we have taken. PNS 1 day. Respiratory 1 day. Endocrine 2 days. So how many days? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17. CVS 20, 21, 22, 23. Now we have 7 days. So antimicrobials are going to take 3 days. So 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and then 29, 30. So sorry, I'm not sure whether. So this is how we are going to do it. This is the schedule. So general pharma will take 3 days. ANS, I mean, this is the time in which I'll complete them. General pharma 3 days, ANS 3 days, auticoids 2 days, CNS 5 days, 1 PNS and RS will take 1 day, endocrine 2 days, CVS 3 days, kidney 1 day, blood 1 day, GIT 1 day. Then antimicrobials 3 days, anti-cancer plus immunosuppressant 2 days, and miscellaneous 2 days. So if I follow this schedule, I'll be able to complete the whole thing from 9th of June to 9th of July. And that 30 days mein I'll be able to finish it. So this is the rapid revision. Now, how am I going to take it? How? What am I going to take? So now the important thing is MCQs I have done. I have done exhaustive list of MCQs. If you ask me, exhaustive list of MCQs, right? I have posted around 10, 14 MCQ chapters, MCQ videos are there. So I've done an exhaustive list of MCQs. In this, I'm going to take basically important pointers, right? So we are going to talk, or like we'll be discussing about the from that chapter, what are the important points, right? So this is what I'm going to do. From that chapter, what are the important points? We'll talk about them. It is going to be more of a theoretical class kind of thing, where we are going to discuss the important pointers from that particular chapter. MCQs, we have already completed a lot of MCQs. I have given you at least 3 to 4,000 MCQs, and they are quite a good number. And उससे ज़्यादा MCQs दुनिया में नहीं है pharmacology के, तो वो MCQs आप खत्म करोगे तो you will finish all. Then after we have completed this rapid revision, we will then again discuss the new drugs also, है ना? वो important है. तो new drugs का भी फिर एक particular class will be taking. So by 15th of July I'll wind up pharmacology, right? By 15th of July the whole pharmacology will be wind up. So this is the schedule that I have planned for the rapid revision, and I think it is going to work up. This is the schedule on, so this is how it is going to be. In between हो सकता है कुछ breaks आ जाएं, हो सकता है कि you know like things go in some, मेरी life में कोई काम आ जाए, कुछ भी आ जाए, तो maybe a day here and there might go, but ultimately we'll finish it by, as I have written here, that by 15th of July I'll be completing winding up the whole of pharmacology for you, and these videos then will help you in a revision also that you can do afterwards. Okay, so thank you so much.